In this video, we will show you how to use array type and create an Easter egg. Using a simple ellipse shape and the array on fill, we will create an Easter egg in just a few steps. The procedure is simple. Select both elliptic shapes and click on the array type on the Fill Properties tab. We will select Circular Fill Placement. We can adjust the properties of the array using numeric values. Add more steps. Change the horizontal spacing. Now let me show you how to do this process in a more visual way. Start the Edit Nodes mode. Using these green handles, you can customize the array. Adjust the number of steps. Change the horizontal spacing. And finally move the center of the circle. Isn't that perfect?